If you want to be a high-value data analyst, you're going to want to start creating mocks before you do anything else. A lot of data analysts will get a request from a stakeholder and then they'll just start diving right in doing the work, but you actually want to avoid doing that. This can mean writing SQL code, creating dashboards, or creating reports without actually going through the process of defining what you want to build and what that actually looks like from an output standpoint. When this happens, a lot of analysts end up out in left field. They end up building dashboards that aren't useful or aren't actually necessary, or they end up wasting a lot of time along the way. So if you want to be a high-value data analyst, before diving in and creating any dashboards or writing any code, you want to take a little bit of a pause to start thinking about what data do you need, what problem are you trying to solve, and how do you want to present that data to make sure you're telling the story properly. One of the best ways to do this is to simply open up Excel, start mocking out some of the columns and rows, and maybe even some sample data that you might expect to see once you create that query. When you do this, you'll ensure that you're staying focused on solving the right problem and you'll save a lot of time along the way.